Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is the 29th of January. It's a Saturday. Right now I'm gonna go get a lineup. I got my hair done 2 days ago. 2 days ago? Yeah, 2 days ago in the evening. It's a Thursday evening. And today's Saturday. I'm just getting a lineup. Yesterday was busy. I don't like going on the road on Fridays because it be busy out there, you know. I went to have lunch yesterday and it was a whole lot of traffic. So I just came back and lay down. But I'm gonna get a lineup today. I should have done it earlier. Probably I should have gone early yesterday. But like traffic everywhere in Kingston on a Friday, bro. Swear. But so today's Saturday. It should be better today. So I'll be going to get lined up and then I'll get some lunch. And then probably I'll tell you a story or a few stories. I don't know. Maybe if you're lucky. I could think of a story and tell you. Once upon a time, not long ago, I had a threesome or something like that. Trouble. We could have been superstars. Back in the day, we used to break in houses, you used to be jacking cars. But now it's not safe for you, cause you switch like a pussy little bitch. Yeah, YouTube. So right now I'm gonna get a lineup. I kinda look at my beard, bro. It don't really look like it need lining up, but I'm just gonna line up at the top. Cut off one here, so I can scissors it up, look a bit neat it up. You see? Look like a handsome young man again. Even though I always be looking like a handsome young man, innit? Let me know in the comments, ladies. Let me know, okay? We could have been superstars. Remember, we was jacking cars. But now it's not safe for you, cause you switch like a pussy little bitch. Yeah, YouTube, so I just got a lineup. Looking like a handsome young man, I know. That's so cool. Look at me. Better me do a lineup. I never want him to touch like my stash. And here's some want to connect. That's a bush up. Huh! You know, but I got lunch at this place for the first time. I said I was gonna try it out. And that's my arm and a leg, bro. Cast an arm, a cool looking arm and a leg, you know? Cool looking arm and a leg, bro. That is ridiculousness. The food, I'll insert the clip of yeah, so you see what's going on there. So what I'll do, I'll insert the clip of the food that I was eating, because I do a snap of it. I look like a snappy snap. So you'll see the food. The food was very good, but for that price, it's too expensive. But like I guess there is for places like dinner dates or for lunch date or something like that. It's a nice fancy place. So next time I'm going there, maybe I'll go there on a date if I'm feeling romantic. But it's very expensive. Orange juice, $600. It's crazy. And I feel like the curry goat, 2,500. It's ridiculous. At Susie's. Let me see if I can make a see the place a little bit. Hold on, give me a second. See if we can see the restaurant. So it's at where I'm at right now. I'm at the new plaza. See if you can see it over there. Susie at the new plaza and so yeah, it's a new plaza on South Avenue. I don't know if you saw it. That's where I got lunch today. Arm and a leg, bro. It's crazy. For one meal. I could have bought 3 meals. So it's good though. The food is good there. Tastes good like price and everything. The next place that I normally go to for lunch, I can normally get jerk chicken there and sweet mashed potato, and that place costs $1,000. And this new place over here costs, this new place here for the curry goat, and goat normally more expensive. The curry goat cost $2,500 plus drinks different. Normally I don't buy drinks at my place where I normally go, so I just buy the food for $1,000. So if I was to buy like an orange juice plus the food, say them would have to charge like $100 for a box of orange juice. And that orange juice that I got was a little bit more than a box than a box of orange juice. So yeah. There's a mosquito in here. It's coming. It's crazy. You know, but I'm out here driving past some real estate. Some real estate development. Baby. Some real estate development. It's not safe for you. As you switch like a pussy little bitch. Wonder if I can get one of them apartment you have to buy. You can't see it. The camera won't show you. A nice little apartment thing I build up over here, so maybe I can buy one of these. If God is willing, if the good Lord is willing. Alright? So let me tell you a story. Story time! When I was younger, what do you want to hear? What would you like to hear? Would you like to hear about the time that me and my bros ran a train? Alright, so once upon a time, me and my bros, I went in on a train that the older bros was having, you know? So it was just in the neighbor's house. The neighbors wasn't at home. This could be incriminating. And we broke into the house. And we borrow his bed for a bit, you know? Test out his bed, see if his bed comfortable with the girl. So it was a girl, she was a thotty, right? She wanted to have fun for a bit, so the bro talked to her and tell her, say, yo, give her money and, you know, you just stick her on the dog them. And she did it. She did it. And you know me, I go second, like bro go first, and then I went second because me not go after them, man. Bag man, I sweat out her thing and them thing. I'm not upon that joke badness. It's a joking badness. Whoa, I'm turning. So I'm on South Avenue now. I'm cruising. Yeah, I'm not really cruising for a bruising. So where was I in the story? So like bro went in first. Bro, boom, finish. The other guys outside, they were a bit scared, you know, but I wasn't scared. Because I know what time it was, for real, you know. So I went in after the older bro. After the older bro that set up everything. I went in after him. When I went in, like, it's like I was a perfect fit for her. She liked my size, you know. And I was in there. And yeah, I enjoyed myself and I bust a nut and then I leave. There's more detail to that story, but I'll tell you at another time. But trains was how I got my bus, you know. So big up shout out to all of the older bros, busing the younger bros, you know. Yeah, shout out to them niggas. Them niggas are some real niggas. You know what I mean? When it comes to the crap, them are cream. Yeah. We could have been superstars. We used to break in houses, we was jacking on cars. But now it's not safe for you. Cause you switch like a pussy ass, hoe ass little bitch. We could have been superstars. We was breaking in houses and jacking cars. But now it's not really safe for you. Cause you switch up like a hoe ass bitch. Nah, man, pretty. Ooh, that's a nice Range Rover. Some nice cars I'm seeing. Whenever I'm outside, you know. It's crazy. I go darker. You know, I go out here, I go darker like that. No, I'm all pretty. So I'm here on the road. About to blast off. Shit. Watch it, I'm gonna burn up the speedometer. Speedometer burn up. Oh, you a deal with the road, sir. Buckler, boy, you can't go on, sir. Take time, man. Take time driving, the boy. Buckler, boy, I can't drive so hard. Little brakes. Little bit of brake. Hey, trouble. I feel like I want to make a song today. feel like I want to make a song today, you know? Boy, I drive so hard. Take your time, man. Brakes up, brakes. Brakes in our AMG. Oh, this one now. My name. Lyttle. On the next side of the road. Badness, a lie? No jokes. This is no hoax. I ain't running no jokes. Sorry I broke your heart, baby. But what's life without a little bit of scars, baby? Yeah, so between last night and this morning, I was watching two YouTubers, you know, and I felt inspired to start just doing more videos and just doing it and just realize that it takes time to grow and all of that and just have fun with it. For once you're having fun with it, then other person that have a light mind like you might watch it and have fun with it too. So you should just keep doing it, keep going. You know, my nigga DDG, he's in the Maldives. He's on a date in the Maldives. Like, that's the type of lifestyle, bro. This year, you know, you want to have a girl that brings peace into your life. A woman that is your peace. I'm not sure I understand. Fuck off, oh, who's talking to you? You want a woman that brings peace in your life and not war, chaos, and all of that? Yeah. So, still searching like Judah Gang, isn't it? Still searching for the right peace of mind. Decent catty with the right peace of mind. Maybe I'm blind, maybe I'm dying. Rastaman vibrations, you see me? Yeah. More of tell a girl, we could have been superstars. I remember we used to pillow talk, but now it's not safe for you. Cause you switch for some money cause you's a hoe ass bitch. Nah, we could have been superstars. I remember we used to pillow talk, but now it's not safe for you. Cause you switch cause you's a hoe ass bitch. Alright, you just take a nap, wake up. And I'm gonna go collect my YouTube shirts. I bought 5 new YouTube shirts. So let me know in the comments if you want one, because I'm giving them away to my day ones. I haven't got a lot of subscribers yet, so you my day one. So if you want one of the shirts, let me know in the comments, okay? Thank you. Yes, I went to Knoxford to pick up the shirts, but they didn't reach. They're gonna reach tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll show you the shirts. Those ones are really, really nice. So I can't wait for them to get here. So make sure you tell me if you want a shirt or not. Tomorrow I'll show them. On this vlog, I'm gonna try it. I want to show you my dream house. Yeah, for the rest of this vlog, I want to show you my dream house. I was watching my nigga DDG on that. You know what I mean? He'd be out here on the vlogs. But I was looking at my dream house before I was watching that. Here's my dream house right here. The price is kind of steep, but it's called a dream house for a reason. Like, you don't necessarily might have to get there, but nothing, to me, nothing is impossible. You know, I've seen a lot in this life. So for me, nothing is impossible. So this is me reacting to my dream house. I like that. It's really nice. Picture number 2. Picture number 3. Picture number... Ooh, it's an elephant. It's an elephant. Right there. African vibes. Did you know I'm an African? Yeah, I'm in Jamaica, but I'm originally from Africa. You know, so I like the elephant. Ooh, it's a lion. It's a lion right there. Some more African vibes. Did you know I'm an African? I know I'm a Jamaican. Like, I was born in Jamaica, but my genetics, they're from Africa. This kitchen is really nice. Very nice. Very beautiful kitchen. Very beautiful. I like here. This is nice. This is a vibe right here, right? This is a whole vibe right here. A whole entire vibe. That's beautiful too. Is that the next angle? Yo, these houses in Uptown Kingston are really nice, you know? Really nice. Beautiful. Closet. This is a beautiful closet. It's a lovely closet. Staircase. I like the eye ceiling. I like the eyeglass. It lets in a lot of light. And I'm a vlogger, so I need the light. Nice. Yo, this is when I was broke, bro. I used to just look at houses all day and just say to myself, one day I'm gonna get one of these dream houses, you know? One day, and then I moved to Kingston, and to me it's not out of range. You know what I mean? It's achievable with the right things in play. You know, if I start making money off of YouTube the way I want to, and I'm just doing it, this is not impossible. If I do all the things that I want to do, owning something like this is not impossible. And I tell my friends and family all the time that, you know, you can achieve anything you want to achieve if you put your mind to it. And I feel like I can achieve something like this. This is just like something to just keep in mind, because I know there's other nice houses in Kingston like this, and even in Mobile there are very beautiful houses in Montego Bay. So I got options, but to just have something like this as to say, yo, a dream house, so just like keep it in mind, is something powerful in itself, you know. So it's what I'm doing right now. It's really what I'm doing right now. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So start over. So that's my dream house. Hopefully one day I can get there. If the good Lord is willing, I can get there, you know. I believe in myself and I believe I can achieve it, you know. Yeah. So share my videos so that I can get good at this YouTube stuff. Maybe I can give back to you one day. You never know. I could probably buy you a house if I blow up on YouTube big enough. Because a house is probably like a scheme house, probably like $100,000 or something like that for a scheme house. I could probably buy you a scheme house, bro, or ma'am, if we get there. Because you know you're my day one, so yeah, just share the videos and help me get a lot of subscribers and viewers, and we can do this together. Each one help one, okay? Yeah, and I'll try to entertain you on my way, all right? Yeah, so thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. We could have been superstars. You could have been in my vlogs. But now it's over for me and you. Cause you switch, cause you's a hoe ass bitch. We could have been superstars. Me and you could have been doing vlogs. But now it's over for me and you. Cause you switch, cause you's a hoe ass little bitch.